Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to easily paint kitchen cabinet doors. Now this is a rental unit and the tenant kind of destroyed the place. One of the kitchen cabinet doors was actually missing. I found replacement doors. I actually replaced two of them. They were the same style, but they were not the same color. So what I did is I sanded down the two new doors with 400 grit paper. You don't have to sand it really, all the paint off or anything. You just have to, scruff it up. But you do have to scruff up every square inch, even into the corners. So quick sanding with 400 grit. Then I ran to Home Depot and I picked up some Behr cabinet door and trim enamel. And I had them color match that to the existing doors in the kitchen. And they did a great job. It matched perfectly. I just used a brush to brush in the paint into all of the corners. And then the trick is to use one of the small nap rollers, and you want to put on really thin coat. No globs of paint, no drips of paint. I ended up just doing two quick coats or two thin coats, and it worked perfectly. This stuff, it's not the same as spraying your cabinet doors, but I was very impressed with the finish. Just finishing up. And after it dries, I had a nice finish. If you didn't know that they were hand painted, if you didn't look for it, you probably would never know. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. Thank you very much for watching.